How to make a simple geometric house? Well, look no further than the dynamic duo Pezo and Von Ellrichshausen. These guys are the real deal when it comes to rocking minimalistic vibes with the edgy shapes, sharp lines and raw concrete vibes. Hailing from Chile, they kicked off their architecture adventure back in 2002. Fast forward to 2013 and bam, they dropped the bomb that is this solo house in Spain. Picture this, it is nestled in the heart of the nature, away from the hustle and bustle. It is part of this red initiative where top architects bring their A game and create jaw-dropping paths in a serene spots. Now what makes the solo house so special? It is all about the tiny details stealing the spotlight. These architects were magic, making every little space shine. It is like art and architecture doing a super cool tango. Imagine this, a dance between materials and shapes where wood and cement are the main character. Keeping it real and just few basic forms. They come together in perfect harmony, creating surfaces and volume that don't need filling. Nope, they leave the space for something special, the void. Yep, you heard me right. It is like giving the empty spot a chance to shine alongside the building and breathtaking landscape that cradle them. Imagine this house nestled confidently amidst a dense forest, its boldness standing out as it extends over the treetops, defying gravity. As its heart lies in a simple cube embodying the essence of elegance and simplicity. You wanna step into this paradise? Well, you will need to climb this staircase. Once you are in, it is like a stepping into a whole new world. The main action goes down on the first floor where every corner has a purpose. But wait, there is more. Right smack dab in the middle of it lies a hidden gem, a courtyard. And guess what is in its heart? A water pool. Yes, that's the magic sauce that brings this place into life. It is like the beating heart of the house, drawing you in with its irresistible charm. Picture this, a lone ranger standing tall amidst a sea of green, surrounded by vineyards and olive groves, with medieval village and a rocky cliff painting the backdrop. It is like something straight out of a fairy tale. Alright, let's break down the architecture character of the solo house. First off, we have got this 9-grid concept. Picture the house divided into 9 neat squares, each playing its part in the grand design. Inside these squares, you have got 16 columns doing their thing, holding up the fort and creating a flow of spaces that are versatile and undefined. Now let's talk symmetry. This baby is all about balance, with the house plan wide open to the world around it, and its heart lies a courtyard complete with the water pool that is like a beating heart of the place, the ultimate energy center. But here is where things get really cool. The functional spaces are tucked away in the 4 opposite sides, giving you all the privacy and functionality you need. Meanwhile, the other 4 corners, they are left wide open, serving up some seriously jaw-dropping views of the landscape that will leave you breathless in every direction of the turn. It is like living in harmony with nature, where every angle offers a new perspective that's nothing sort of awe-inspiring. Alright, let's dive into the blueprint of this beauty. So imagine a courtyard at the heart of it, all divided in the 9-grid, like a puzzle waiting to be resolved. In the center, there is this killer water pool, plunging down to the ground floor, with a concrete wall holding up the weight of the world. Yep, that's the only part touching the ground. The rest, it is all about the cantilevered. Along that sturdy concrete wall, you will find all the essentials, think toilets, baths and everything in between. It is like a hidden fortresses of functionality tucked away from the convenience. But here is where things get really interesting. See those 16 references points scattered around. They are like the stars guiding you through the architecture wonderland, all thanks to the 9-grid concept. Now picture this, as you step inside, you are greeted by 2 staircases leading you into the unknown. It is the dark, mysterious even. But then as you descend, those 2 triangles in the water pool light the way, like beacons in the night. And just when you think you have seen it all, you take those spiral staircases and bam, you are on the first floor surrounded by light and sky. It is like stepping into the whole new world where the house becomes a part of you and you became the part of it. The magic of architecture. It is all about crafting an unforgettable journey through spaces and time. And let me tell you, this is not by chance. It is this careful hidden secret of the master architect who always walked these paths. Now let's take a stroll up to the first floor. Stepping into the living area feels like entering a dream. It is spacious, breezy and the views are absolutely breathtaking. Picture these balconies on both sides offering up a panoramic vistas of the landscape that will leave you speechless. On the one side you have got the kitchen and dining area, perfect for whipping up a feast while soaking in the scenery. And on the other side, that's where the bedroom cozy up, offering a retreat of the world with their own balcony views. But here is the kicker, there are no solid walls to be found outside. Nope, this place is all about letting the natural light flood in, giving you a 360-degree view that will make you feel like you are floating on air. Now let's head down to the ground floor. You will enter through a bidirectional staircase, leading you straight to the heart of the house. And if you are feeling adventurous, there is a spiral staircase waiting to whisk you away to the top of the world. Let's take a closer look at the inner working of its architecture marvel through its section. As we slice through the house, we uncover its structural genius. The main body of the house boldly extends out from the central core, defining gravity with its cantilevered design. Perched on a sloping terrain, it is like the house is reaching out to embrace the landscape. In this cantilever space, every essential is thoughtfully positioned to maximize those awe-inspiring views. And smack dab in the center, there is where you will find the water pool, adding a touch of serenity to the space. But what really set this house apart is its relationship with nature, with natural sunlight streaming in and crosswind dancing through. Now let's talk elevation. Take a step back and you will see symmetry at play, with columns and structural cores standing tall and proud. It is like the house is suspended in the mid-air, giving off the eternal vibe that is hard to resist. And here is this simplicity reigns supreme in Pezo Von Worlds. They have mastered the art of using basic geometric form to create something truly extraordinary. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any particular recommend of architecture video, you can comment down below. We will definitely make a video on that particular topic. Subscribe to the channel for more such videos. See you in the next video. Salute.